no ceiling. Yeah. I'ma run this down tonight. Alright now. Nigga, we are so ready for the war. C-A-R-T-E-R, put the B in E-R. I'm colder than B-R, add another 3 R's. Watch me like D-V-D-V-C-R. Pump to your chest, I ain't talking CPR. Riding this track like a motherfucking streetcar. New Orleans coroner, his name is Frank Minyard. Fuck with me wrong, you be waking up in his yard. Man, I go crazy on the beat, I go Nimrod. Man, I act a ass, treat the beat like a hemorrhoid. Man, I go to work on the beat, call it employed. Man, I kicks it, bitch, get your shit going. Young money run this, towns, countries. I still eat rappers, scrumptious. My goons toe thumpers, they pump them like crumpers. Anybody beat, I'm gon' go archie bunkers. Soon you be the wireless, let's run the metropolis. I pop like lollies, you drop like eyelids. The money keep calling, I hear the shit dialing. And they say money talks, you can hear my shit hollering. You softer than nylon, oops, I meant nylon. Perfection is the goal and I'm headed to the pylon. Crown fit me good, I ain't even gotta try on. The pistol mean business, that bitch should have a tie on. T, they told me do this shit, so I had to do this shit. I get superhero money, call a nigga super rich. Keep it super for a while, let me get on my super shit. Super ill, super sick, dog, I go super Vic. Ran into a superwoman, turned into a super bitch. Hit her with that super dick, she be coming super quick. Super Mills, Mac, Tiger Streets, Nelly, Super Nick. Super Drizzy, got a Chucky Twist, that's the super click. Now I'm off that super shit.